Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'll be helping you learn how to delete folders on Yahoo Mail application. So the first thing to do is to open up the Yahoo Mail application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the inbox icon located at the lower left corner. Under the Folders tab, select the folder you'd like to delete and press hold for a few seconds. In the pop-up, tap on Delete in order to delete the folder. Now confirm by tapping on OK, and there you have successfully deleted a folder on your Yahoo Mail application. Once you delete a folder, it's permanently removed and cannot be restored, so please make a wise decision. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.